Hello everyone, this is Adam Kanen. You have M58 came into the shop because it kind of tripped the GFCI a couple times, and then eventually the brew boiler just stopped heating. After testing the brew boiler, I found that there was like significant current leakage, meaning that there were cracks somewhere. In this show here, a lot of water leaked in and caused short. Then I tripped the GFCI and then eventually caused the whole thing to malfunction. So what we ended up doing is just replacing the steam, the brew boiler element, and as you can see here, it's all working. So got a hot group head, and just going to do a test shot here. This is a little bit of a weird setup because I don't have the drip tray. It was given to us without the drip tray, so it's just what it looks like right now. This is our test coffee. We don't have it dialed in or anything else. But yeah, I'm just going to stop right there. And here we have a hot, espresso. You can see the steam coming off of it. And also, we have steam. And we have hot water. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and or subscribe. Thank you for watching.